In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best welding helmets available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the welding helmets mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ARCCAPTAIN Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The ARCCAPTAIN welding helmet ensures eye protection with its ANSI Z87.1/EN379 CE safety compliance. Featuring a lightweight design, it offers comfort during extended use. Its large viewing screen enhances visibility, while the solar-powered system ensures eco-friendly welding. With advanced auto-darkening technology, it provides instant protection when an arc is detected. Ideal for professional welders and DIY enthusiasts, it delivers safety and convenience at an affordable price. Get superior vision and protection for your welding projects. Number 4, SAFEUP Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The SAFEUP welding helmet offers a 100 by 97 mm viewing area for crystal clear vision while working. It features an ultra-fast auto-darkening function, switching in just 1/25,000 seconds for instant eye protection. With adjustable shade levels, Gen 5-8/9-13, it adapts to different welding environments. Equipped with 4 sensors, it ensures precise arc detection. Its lightweight and ergonomic design provide comfort for long welding sessions. Whether for professionals or hobbyists, this helmet guarantees safety and efficiency at an excellent price. Number 3, ANDELI Solar-Powered Welding Helmet. The ANDELI welding helmet is designed for TIG, MIG, and arc welding, ensuring maximum protection with its auto-darkening feature. Made from durable PP material, it offers long-lasting reliability. Its solar-powered system allows endless welding sessions without frequent battery changes. The ultra-fast 1/25,000 switch time protects your eyes instantly when an arc is detected. Comfortable and lightweight, it's an excellent choice for professionals and DIY welders who need reliable safety gear with advanced features. Number 2, JALU Q109 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The JALU Q109 welding helmet provides exceptional eye protection with a large 100 by 97 mm viewing area and UV/IR protection up to DN16. It features an ultra-fast switching time of 1/30,000 s, ensuring instant darkening for optimal safety. The adjustable delay time, 0.1-1.0 s, allows precision control for different welding conditions. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it comfortable for prolonged use. A great option for both professionals and beginners, it ensures high performance at an unbeatable price. Number 1, HITBOX Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The HITBOX welding helmet is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering true color technology to reduce eye strain and enhance visibility. With an ultra-fast 0.1 millisecond switching time, it provides instant protection during welding. Adjustable sensitivity settings allow customization for different tasks. Its solar-powered system, combined with replaceable batteries, ensures long-lasting functionality. Designed for comfort and durability, this helmet delivers top-tier performance, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about welding safety.